Hello everyone. In our last video of national symbol and national integration, we have covered the topic our national anthem as well as we have discussed about our national flag. Now next we will deal with our national emblem. Observe our national emblem on the screen. Our national emblem is the true version of the base portion of the Ashoka's pillar at Sarnath. As it is base as lion R3, this is called as lion base. Here this our national emblem has adopted from the Ashoka's pillar of Sarnath. The lion base of Sarnath is our national emblem. In the original sculpture, 4 lions are standing on a platform facing 4 directions with back facing each other. The base is round in shape. There is a wheel in the 4 directions. Between the wheels, there are images of elephants, bull, horse, and lions. The wheel at the base is known as the wheel of Dharma. Even on the white script of the flag, the symbol of wheel is also found. Previously also, as I have said in our last video while we are discussing national flag, that time also we came to know in the national flag also wheel is there. Here in our national emblem also there is a symbol of wheel. The government of India adopted our national emblem on 26 January 1950. In this picture whenever we are saying only 3 lions are seen. A Devanagari line called Satyamev Jayate, truth alone prevails, taken from the Mugdha Upanishad, is found at the bottom of the page. Here on the our national emblem bottom it has been written the sentence Satyamev Jayate, means truth alone prevails. These things we are finding on our national emblem. Now next we will deal with the national animals and national element and national bird. The tiger is our national animal. It is attractive and majestic to see. Its physio is strong. The peacock is our national bird. Its feather at the top of its head look like a cap, which is attractive to see. Next we will see after national bird and national animal. Next we will deal with the national integration. In this first we will see meaning of national integration. Integration in simple sentence we can say unity. National integration means living harmoniously without having hatred, jealousy or prejudice against another person or community. Means every person has to live unitedly without having any hatred or jealousy for other person. That is called as national integration. It means one respecting the other and living in amity. It is the feeling of living as equal member in the family of a nation. National integration refers to the situation where all the people of the country feel they are one, although there are differences with regard to race, religion, culture and language. In national integration means people are living unitedly instead of their differences of like culture, race, religion, language. These things are differ from each other, but still the people are living unitedly. This feeling is called as national integration. It is necessary to create such feeling among all for building a strong nation. The national integration is one which strengthens the feeling of equality among all the people. National integration is very important because it gives and it promote equality among all the members. This related to the meanings. Next we will see about the importance of national integration. The national integration is necessary to create among the people. Repeatedly it has given more importance because of national integration. It leads to unity among the citizens. National integration also necessary to create the feeling of oneness, to achieve the self-vested interest and develop the nation. This national integration is very important to achieve national progress and to live unitedly in the country and giving the feeling of oneness. National integration prominently encourages in achieving national unity, brotherhood and equality. By giving importance to national integration, we can achieve unity, brotherhood and equality. These are the importance of national integration. Here with this we have completed the meaning and importance of national integration. In our next video we will deal with the diversity. Hope these things are clear for you. If you are having any doubt, you can ask in the comment section. Thank you.